Welcome to Datalynx YouTube channel. In this lesson, we'll focus on finalizing and submitting a job and reviewing job details. To commence the job submission for our initial demo template, initiate by double-clicking on the three dots to access the template in edit mode. Given our previous coverage of all the tabs, let's review the buttons located on the right side. The Notes feature allows you to input any relevant notes or descriptions about the template. Utilize the Report option to export the template configuration into a report in your local machine. Furthermore, the Variables function enables the establishment of global variables within the template. Finalizing a template is the ultimate stage in preparing it for processing. Upon finalization, the template transitions into read-only mode, prohibiting any further modifications. This state is denoted as ready. To finalize a template, click on the Finalize button located at the right of the template screen. A warning dialog box will appear on the screen, stating finalizing will set the template to read-only. Click on the Yes button to proceed. Upon finalization, you'll notice that the first template displays a tick mark instead of three dots. This indicates that the template has been finalized and is now in a read-only state, making it inaccessible for further edits. If you wish to make changes to a finalized template, you must create a new version by double-clicking on the tick mark. A warning dialog box will then appear, indicating that a new version will be created. Click on the Yes button to proceed. This action will open a new version of the same template ID in edit mode. As a result, you can observe that the template ID is same but version is different. Navigate to the Data Mapping tab, and let's make some modifications in the processing sequence. Click on the SQL Statement button to open the SQL Statement screen. Let's eliminate the where condition from the script since it's not necessary for this exercise. Afterward, click on the Save button to save the query. A warning dialog box will appear indicating that source fields will be generated. Select the Yes button to proceed. Another warning box will appear, asking if you want to delete the virtual column. Opt for the No button to retain it. Consequently, all the source columns along with the virtual column will be generated. Now, let's proceed to eliminate the Source Processed Records table. This optional feature mandates the creation of a demo table in the source database using create scripts as illustrated. Since we don't require this for the current exercise, we'll remove the demo table. Click on the Save button to apply the changes. Let's examine the destination table by clicking on it. Proceed to test all the mappings by selecting Test All button. You'll observe that there are no errors in the test results. Click on Close button to close the screen. Let's finalize this template. After finalization, double-click on the template to access it. You'll notice three new buttons added post-finalization. Servers allows selection of servers, especially useful when dealing with multiple servers. Configuration provides the ability to modify any configuration details directly from this screen. Export, used for exporting the template to your local machine. To submit the template job, simply click on the Submit button. A dialog box will appear on the screen with the following options. Job priority, a priority number ranging from 1 to 10. Affinity, specifies which CPUs are allocated for processing the job in a multi-CPU server. Users can define CPU allocation at the time of job submission. If not specified, the default is to use all available CPUs, shown as a value comprising all zeros, in the Affinity field. Performance indicates the processing priority. Processing type offers the option for immediate processing or scheduled processing. Serial template section indicates that this template processing will wait for parallel job completion. If the default values for job queue priority and processing priority are retained, jobs are processed in the order they are submitted to the queue as soon as a processing server is available. To proceed, click on the OK button to submit the job. Since we've selected immediate processing, proceed by clicking on the Q button located under the Immediate Jobs toolbar. This action will prompt the appearance of the Job Queue screen on the interface. You can observe that the job status is in progress. Select the View button to access the job details screen. Within this interface, under the Source section, you'll find the number of records processed or rejected. In the Destination section, you'll see the number of records inserted, updated, deleted, or rejected. When the job finishes, a dialog box will appear on the screen, indicating that the job has been completed successfully. To access the job details after its completion, navigate to the History button located under the Immediate Jobs section. The Job History screen will appear, displaying a list of completed jobs that have been executed successfully. In our case, there is only one job that we submitted and completed successfully. To view the details of this job, simply click on the View button located on the right side. The Job Details screen will be displayed on the interface, presenting comprehensive information regarding the job. This includes details such as the status, start and completion date time, submitted by whom, submission timestamp, and the processing server involved. Additionally, the Source Sequences section provides insights into the number of records processed or rejected in each sequence. Furthermore, the Destination Sequences section offers a breakdown of the records inserted, updated, deleted, or rejected for each table. Select the Log button to access the Processing Log screen, where you'll find details such as the start and completion date time, along with any processing messages displayed in the bottom section. You can also export the processing log to your local machine. Click on the Close button to exit the processing log. Next, click on the Report button on the Job Details screen to save the report of this job onto your local machine. Once saved, click Close to exit the Job Details screen. If you wish to remove the job history, click on the Delete button. A warning dialog box will appear, prompting you to confirm your action before proceeding. To export the job history to your local machine, click on Export List. Click on Close button to close the job details screen. Let's navigate to the demo folder on our local machine to verify the person file. As you can see, the file has been successfully generated. This process allows you to generate any number of files simply by submitting a template. Let's now examine a situation where we encounter an error on submitting a job. Errors can vary, including SQL syntax errors, referencing non-existent file locations, and various other issues. For example, let's relocate the CSV file to deliberately trigger an error message, illustrating our troubleshooting approach. Navigate to the File folder path and choose the Demo folder. Then, edit the path to a location that doesn't exist on your local machine. Click on Save button to save the new location. Now, we can resubmit the template. You can see that the job status indicates error state, clearly marked with a red font color. Now, let's proceed by clicking on the View button located on the right to access the job details screen. As evident, no records have been processed or inserted. Click on the Log button to proceed. This action will open the Processing Log screen, where you'll find processing messages displayed at the bottom. In this case, it states invalid file name. You can rectify this issue and resume the job. However, if the problem lies with the SQL statement, you'll need to create a new version of the template and submit it again. Thank you for watching.